Hello, today I'm going to do an install and review of this really nice looking office chair. So I took all the pieces out of the box. You can see everything it comes with. First impression here is there's not a ton of pieces. They're all pretty good size, so it shouldn't be something that's going to be tricky to put together in a lot of pieces. This is all of the hardware that comes with it, so it's really not that much. I don't think the install is going to be too bad. And all the pieces, just taking them out, feel nice and heavy duty, kind of sturdy. So I think this is going to be a really high quality, stable chair. So I'm really looking forward to getting it together, and I'll show you how to do it, and we'll start with step one. All right, so I've got step one laid out. Also, it comes with these gloves so that you don't leave fingerprints and smudges on all of these nice metal pieces. So that's kind of nice that it comes with that. But otherwise, here we go. We're going to start with the seat and the arms here. They have letters on them to help you with orientation. You have a left and a right, and the instructions call out which is which. And then all we're going to do is put these bolts in here, and we'll tighten them down with the Allen wrench that came with it. I'll do it on both those sides, and we'll be back for step two. All right, so we have our arms attached to our seat here. The next step is for this to go on. Again, look at the instructions for orientation, but this piece goes toward the right arm here, the one marked with R. So very easy here. We've got 4 holes here, here, and here, 4 bolts, and we'll tighten those down and move on. All right, now we're moving back up to the seat back here. Kind of just slides underneath the part we just installed, like that. See these holes line up with these places. Again, bolt those in. It's really been very easy so far, and then we'll come back for the next step. All right, so we got the seat back on. Now we're working down where the casters go. I've got this one installed already. This is where you definitely want to wear the gloves so you don't smudge up these nice metal pieces here. But really these just slide in kind of in between these grooves, and it clamps down on it. 2 screws per one. So I'll finish this star off and we'll go from there. All right, I have all the legs bolted in here. So now I'm just gonna put the casters on. Very easy, I already put a couple on. Just kind of put them in the hole. Doesn't take that much to push them in. Once they're in, they're locked in and they spin nice and freely. So I'll finish this off, and then we're really just down to the last couple pieces. All right, so I have the casters fully installed. You'll know when they go in, they click into place. There's not much room in between there, so just make sure you push them all the way down and you're good to go. This is our last piece here. The small side is gonna face up. This just rests in here. And we're gonna take our chair, fit it right down on like so. And once that is pressed into place, we have our full chair. So really not bad at all, didn't take a lot of time. All the tools I needed came with it. So we have this one last piece we're going to install. Figure that out and I'll be right back. All right, so we'll show you how to install this headrest too. It is optional. There's a little notch right underneath here. You can kind of see that, it's right there, it kind of sticks out. That'll line up with this. I found it's easiest to put this on first, and it kind of just clicks a little bit into place. And it just rests there. And then this just kind of fits right down, right like that, right over the top, kind of cinches on, so you can see it on both sides here around this. And then this is adjustable too, I'll show that at the end. But I'm going to put a couple screws in here and hold it in place, and then we're all done with the install. All right, so I'm testing it out in my office right now. It is so comfortable. I really like this. Hopefully you can kind of see down here, there's like this pad that provides some lumbar support. So that's really nice for those long sessions in the chair. But it's really very comfortable. I like the arms, how they hit, where they hit. They are adjustable here a little bit too. The height is adjustable down here, and you can lock in the seat back. So right now it's not going anywhere, and now I can kind of lean back too. So really nice, super comfortable with the headrest for sure. My son already wanted to steal this as a gaming chair for himself, so we might battle over that a little bit, but this is a really comfortable chair. Took about 20 minutes to install, very easy. Really only needed the Allen wrench that came with it. But yeah, very high quality, super comfortable, very breathable back. Great chair, and I would highly recommend it.